She's testing it out.
Oh yeah, I did.
She's testing it out. Me, I wouldn't test it out. I would just jump right in. Sorry for the camera, it's jiggly. I need a tripod. It does make for a good video though. Seagull just flew by. That's as hardcore as you can get. I mean, this is the warmest swimming on the island here, is on the west side here. Look at that. That is awesome. She's brave. I've tried winter swimming here before and it's too cold for me. The water's probably still not that bad. There's still people swimming in the lakes, but it's a foggy morning out here. She did it. That's great. Wow. Nice little quick dip before hopping on the ferry. Thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe for more videos. Cheers.